Ever plugged in your headphones and felt that silence ruin the vibe? Today we're fixing that with the top 5 Bluetooth headphones for iPad Pro M5, crafted for pure sound, comfort, and freedom. Welcome to the channel. Check the links below and bring your listening experience to life right now. The number 5 product on our list is LEVN Bluetooth Headphone. The LEVN Bluetooth Headphone redefines what real silence feels like. Slip it on and the chaos fades away. Engine hums, chatter, city noise, all replaced with crisp, detailed sound that feels cinematic on the iPad Pro M5. The hybrid noise-canceling technology blocks up to 99% of unwanted sound, while the transparency mode smartly lets you stay aware when needed. Every beat feels rich and immersive thanks to its 40mm drivers delivering deep bass and lifelike clarity. What truly impresses is its stamina. A full charge powers 35 hours with ANC on, stretching to 70 with it off, ideal for long flights or back-to-back editing sessions. The fast charge gives hours of playback in minutes, keeping your rhythm uninterrupted. Comfort-wise, the zero-pressure headband and memory foam ear cups make marathon listening effortless, and the foldable design makes it perfect for travel. Compared to others in this lineup, LEVN nails that harmony between luxury comfort and studio-grade precision. It's for those who crave focus, freedom, and sound that moves with emotion everywhere you go. At number 4 is TAGRY Bluetooth Headphone. The TAGRY Bluetooth Headphone is made for those who live with music in motion, fast, focused, and full of energy. Imagine charging for just 5 minutes and getting 10 hours of playtime. That's not convenience, it's freedom. These headphones blend comfort and power beautifully, offering up to 100 hours of non-stop music that easily syncs with your iPad Pro M5 for an ultra-smooth wireless experience. The sound? Deep, punchy bass that hits with emotion, balanced mids that bring clarity to every vocal, and noise cancellation that blocks up to 95% of outside chaos. Whether it's the roar of an airplane or the rumble of a commute, you hear only what matters: your playlist. The dual connectivity adds flexibility, letting you switch between Bluetooth and wired mode in seconds. Its soft protein leather cushions and feather-light frame feel effortless during long sessions, while the foldable design makes it travel-ready and space-saving. Compared to others in this lineup, TAGRY combines endurance, elegance, and emotion in one perfect balance. A headphone built for people who refuse to pause their sound. The third one on our list is Sony Bluetooth Headphone. Sony's Bluetooth headphone feels like stepping into a private world where every note is alive and every detail matters. The first thing that strikes you is its balance. Studio clarity paired with breathtaking comfort that perfectly complements the iPad Pro M5's immersive soundstage. With up to 50 hours of battery life, you can lose yourself in music, movies, or creative work for days without a single recharge. The DSEE engine breathes new life into compressed tracks, while the customizable EQ through the Sony Headphones Connect app lets you shape sound to your own mood. Lightweight, foldable, and beautifully cushioned, it's built for long sessions that never weigh you down. The multi-point connection makes switching between devices effortless, seamlessly jumping from your tablet to your phone in seconds. Compared to others in this lineup, Sony stands out for its emotional precision. Music sounds personal, not processed. For creators, travelers, or anyone chasing distraction-free focus, this headphone delivers more than sound. It delivers serenity, confidence, and connection in every beat. On number 2 is KVIDIO Bluetooth Headphone. The KVIDIO Bluetooth Headphone delivers that rare mix of energy, comfort, and clarity that turns everyday listening into an experience. The moment you hit play, its dual 40mm drivers open up a rich concert-like sound stage. Deep bass, clean mids, and sparkling highs that blend perfectly with the iPad Pro M5's vibrant audio performance. It's made for people who crave immersive sound without the bulk. Weighing just 0.44 L, it feels feather-light, while the plush memory protein ear cushions make long study sessions or creative work feel effortless. What really sets it apart is endurance. Up to 65 hours of battery life with the freedom to switch between wireless and wired in seconds. The Bluetooth 5.4 connection stays fast and flawless, giving you freedom to move without a single drop. Compared to others in its class, KVIDIO stands out for its balance of value and emotion. It's stylish, dependable, and surprisingly powerful. Whether for travel, work, or studio use, this headphone makes every note feel intentional and every moment worth listening to. Now, moving to the last one is JBL Bluetooth Headphone. There's something instantly addictive about the JBL Bluetooth headphone. The moment you hit play, it hits back with deep, room-filling bass that feels alive. It's the kind of sound that reminds you why music matters. Designed to pair flawlessly with the iPad Pro M5, it brings out crisp vocals and balanced lows that make movies, podcasts, and games more immersive than ever. The pure bass technology carries that iconic JBL signature. Warm, punchy, and full of character, while the lightweight build keeps it comfortable even through marathon listening sessions. Battery life is a strong point here, offering up to 40 hours of non-stop playback and a quick charge that delivers hours of music in minutes. The multi-point Bluetooth connection makes switching between your tablet and phone effortless, and the on-ear controls keep things intuitive. Compared to others in this range, JBL nails the blend of portability, power, and polish. It's a headphone built for people who don't just listen. They feel every beat, every word, and every moment that great sound can create. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 Bluetooth headphones for iPad Pro M5. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.